Are you struggling with overwhelming debt in Saskatchewan? The burden of financial troubles can be unbearable, but there are solutions available to help you regain control of your finances. One effective option to consider is a consumer proposal in Saskatchewan. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the basics of consumer proposals, their advantages and disadvantages, and how they can help you find relief from debt. So let's dive in and discover the path to financial freedom. Understanding consumer proposals in Saskatchewan. A consumer proposal is a legal process under the Bankruptcy and Insolvency Act that allows individuals to consolidate their debts and negotiate a repayment plan with their creditors. This process is facilitated by a licensed bankruptcy trustee who acts as a mediator between you and your creditors. The goal is to create a manageable repayment plan based on your income and assets, reducing the total amount of debt you owe. How does a consumer proposal work? To initiate a consumer proposal in Saskatchewan, you must engage the services of a licensed bankruptcy trustee. The trustee will work with you to assess your financial situation and propose a repayment plan to your creditors. If the majority of your creditors agree to the proposal, it becomes legally binding for all parties involved. The repayment plan typically involves paying a portion of your debt over a period of up to 5 years. The exact amount and duration of the plan will depend on your income, assets, and the agreement reached with your creditors. It is important to note that a consumer proposal is an alternative to bankruptcy and can provide a fresh start for individuals struggling with debt. Advantages of consumer proposals in Saskatchewan. Consumer proposals offer several advantages for individuals facing financial difficulties in Saskatchewan. Let's explore some of the key benefits. Reduced debt. A consumer proposal enables you to repay a portion of your debt, often at a significantly reduced amount. This can provide substantial relief and help you regain control of your finances. Debt consolidation. By consolidating your debts into a single monthly payment, a consumer proposal simplifies your financial obligations. This can make it easier to manage your budget and ensure timely payments. Asset protection. Unlike other debt relief options, a consumer proposal safeguards your assets from seizure by creditors. This means you can retain ownership of your home, vehicle, and other valuable possessions. Creditor agreement. If the majority of your creditors agree to the consumer proposal, it becomes legally binding for all parties. This ensures that your creditors cannot take legal action against you or continue to harass you for payment. Avoiding bankruptcy. A consumer proposal is often considered a last resort before filing for bankruptcy. By opting for a consumer proposal, you can avoid the long-term consequences associated with bankruptcy, such as a tarnished credit history. Disadvantages of consumer proposals in Saskatchewan. While consumer proposals offer significant benefits, it is essential to consider the potential drawbacks before making a decision. Here are some disadvantages to keep in mind. Impact on credit. Similar to bankruptcy, a consumer proposal will have a negative impact on your credit score. It will remain on your credit report for several years, making it challenging to obtain new credit or loans during that time. Creditor rejection. If not all of your creditors agree to the consumer proposal, you may need to renegotiate the terms with those who dissent. This could result in less favorable repayment terms or require additional negotiations to reach a satisfactory agreement. Limited debt types. Certain types of debt, such as secured debts and student loans less than 7 years old, cannot be included in a consumer proposal. It is important to consider these limitations when assessing the suitability of this debt relief option. Professional license risk. Depending on your profession, filing a consumer proposal may put certain licenses at risk. It is crucial to consult with a licensed bankruptcy trustee and legal counsel to understand any potential implications for your career. Permanent record. A consumer proposal is filed as a permanent public record and will be included in a searchable database. This may impact future employment opportunities or professional endeavors. Seeking professional assistance for a consumer proposal in Saskatchewan. If you believe that a consumer proposal is the right debt relief option for you, it is crucial to seek professional assistance from a licensed bankruptcy trustee. These professionals have the expertise and knowledge to guide you through the process and ensure that your rights and interests are protected. At Bankruptcy Canada, we have been helping individuals overcome financial difficulties for over 20 years. Our team of licensed insolvency trustees is well-versed in administering consumer proposals and other debt remedies. We understand the challenges you may be facing and can provide the support you need to achieve financial freedom. Contact us today to schedule a free, confidential consultation. Our experts will assess your financial situation, discuss your options, and guide you towards the most suitable debt relief solution. Don't let debt hold you back. Take the first step towards a brighter financial future with Bankruptcy Canada.